Okay.
Hey, has anybody ever been to a Russian bathhouse where they have like extremely large saunas?
Yeah, see, that sounds sketchy.
No, it's actually have you ever been to a sauna?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, so a Russian bathhouse has like a huge sauna, like the size of your bedroom.
Is everybody naked?
Everybody is naked, not naked, like covered by a towel, and they just mingle and they get like, sweaty.
That sounds like the worst thing possible.
It's actually a really good experience.
All dudes in there just sweating away.
Oh, buddy, if you come to New York, that's the first place I'll take you, and you will thank me.
Ryan, I am just going to add that to the book of evidence to support Dimitri's sexual orientation.
Adam, if you ever do the same, if you ever come to New York, I'll take you there also. I promise you'll thank me.
What do you do after eat appetizers and oysters?
Are you crazy? It's the best cuisine there. Uzbeki food, buddy. It's the best.
Nothing better than slurping an oyster in a hot, sweaty sauna with a bunch of dudes.
No, no, there's like a cafe part and stuff, and then there's a pool. So you get hot, and then you jump in a cold pool, and you get hot again. It's great for your immune system, also.
I I did that for 4 hours one night. I went from a sauna into a lake and drank like 30 drinks, and I've never felt worse in my entire life.
Worse? No way.
No, 4 hours. No, it was 4 hours in a sauna,
Oh, you little
That's a little much.
overdid it, buddy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
drinking caffeinated alcoholic beverages.
Yeah, you're dehydrating yourself times 10.
Yeah. Plus, eating hold other
Uh,
man's hands,
I know.
change your orientation.
It seemed like a good idea at the time.
It's the best. We broke a trend line though, Adam. We kind of broke it
Nice.
though on Friday. Yeah, we broke it on Friday, and we're breaking it right now also.
Yes.
Hmm.
I can't wait to see what 693 calls open up at. Be clobbered. They did damage. They did damage yesterday too. Yesterday was a pretty tough day. I don't know. If we're gonna continue south today, I'm looking at this 689. Look at Monday's pre-market low, 689 area to 688.20s. If you guys go all the way back to like Thursday of last week, our demand from Thursday.
Yeah, I'm bear focused today.
Yeah, I've got 3 weekly levels.
Well, let me calculate these fuckers real quick for you guys.
Yeah, I got 2 weekly levels. I got one at 689.21 and one at 689.25.
When's Friday? The 16th, right? Plus or minus $6.57. That's before market open. So 690, 697.40s to
905 and
684.50s.
127. Here's the daily expected moves, guys.
Friday's the 17th? I thought Friday's the 16th.
So that already means we're below the daily expected move already.
691. Yeah, we are below the daily expected move. Oh shit. Yeah, we're below it.
I'm going to see what this one says at open. Right now on Thinkorswim it says plus or minus $2.70.
IV is very small.
Yeah.
All right. 693.77 is BCP. I'm long. I'm short, guys, actually. I've been short.
Every
But
day this week, QQQ and SPY opened up on a fucking tear. So
There was a lot of news this morning at 8:30. It looked good to me.
let's see, plus or minus $2.70 for daily. We're sitting at 691. So figure 693 area and 688. That's gonna put us at that demand on Thursday.
we're sitting at strong demand here at 690 80s.
QQQ's looking weak already. Everything in tech is red right now. Mostly everything. Besides, wow, dude, look at MSTR. Holy shit.
It had a
What
good night last night.
MSTR
What is MSTR doing?
180.
I did tell you guys to invest in MSTR when it was at the 160s, if you remember. And you guys all clowned me.
So,
It's just a roller
Bitcoin.
coaster.
So what happened
I'm out
last
of my
night at
shorts.
5 o'clock?
Sorry, what did you say?
Last night at 5 o'clock, Bitcoin absolutely rocketed. And it's the only thing that did.
Well, Bitcoin, if you think about it, it has empty pocket now, Adam.
Well, no, but this is uncharacteristic. If you look at it, like literally at 5:01 or something like that, it went up $2,000 in 2 minutes.
Yeah, because over 94,500, it has nothing until 109. It's illiquid territory, so it's gonna rocket like 2-3,000 at a time, like sporadically.
I see something on QQQ here.
Yeah, Bitcoin is going to 109 in my opinion right now. It has empty pocket right now.
QQQ has a little more room south, and they're going to hit their sloping support all the way back from November 20th.
Well, same line.
I sold way too early.
Yeah.
We are going to be approaching
617.
2 weeks ago high, 689.20.
617 area on Qs. It's a little bit of a
Whoa.
stretch.
You think we're gonna go to 617?
Could be. There's nothing below us right now.
That's a stretch.
If we got to get through this, we got to get through Thursday's cluster. 618, 618.98. I don't know. Wait and see. Big Hulk candle coming in now.
Beautiful. I reached my daily goal. This is POC. We could have a rejection here, guys. Don't forget, this is where yesterday's trap occurred, and everybody got calls and swung them. So this is the area that I think they're gonna keep rejecting. It makes 0 sense for them to go above 691.50, because that's where all the longs and calls are from yesterday.
QQQ looks like they want to pop.
See?
623.50 on QQQ. If we're above that, I'm pretty bullish. And obviously pre-market high from this little session here back from 7 o'clock, 691.90, 692 area. They take that out, I'll be pretty bullish. Back up to like 693.
This is a super bullish 5-minute candle.
I'm just curious if they're going to do the same bullshit that they've been doing all week, where they sell off and then they run it back up to all-time highs.
Oh, sorry, I'm not sharing my screen. We're about to backtest that broken trend line, Adam.
Yeah, I'm watching. Well, and that 691.66, that weekly high.
Yeah.
I think this is a good short opportunity coming up. 693, 692 area, 691.90.
Yeah.
And if they
I'm
flip
short
that,
right now, starter. I have one ES contract short.
if they flip that, then they're gonna go to 693.
And then I'm gonna add it at 691.90. But right now I'm short.
We got news today.
A little bit above is the broken trend line, but I started it already, so let's see. POC is price target number 1, which is a little bit below us.
Are you an ES?
I'm ES, yeah. I made a pretty penny already on ES trading it.
See if they try to go higher.
Here we go. One more tick lower, and price target is gonna hit. Basically VWAP. VWAP is the same, right, as POC? Yeah. Right here. This is POC. I'm out. I sold.
Ryan, big freaking congrats, dude. Nice day yesterday.
Captain?
Withdraw
Thanks,
that shit.
dude.
Take that shit out. Withdraw it.
I just took 20K out.
Yep.
You have no caps how much you can withdraw on a live account?
Correct.
That's amazing, man. Yeah. Buy some nice paint for your house.
Buy gold
Buy
paint.
someone to paint my house so I don't have to paint it.
Paint the fucking toilet gold.
buy some gold paint to paint my toilet paper gold.
24
In my
karat.
opinion, guys, it makes 0 sense for them to go higher. A lot of bulls are trapped from yesterday's trap end of day. They should go lower before they go higher. End of day, they should go higher. This is just my 2 cents.
I missed my short. I was looking at the fucking news. I'd be all out here though.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm cash.
Thanks, Sam. Bro, my computer's lagging so hard right now.
I wanna chase shorts here, guys. I wanna chase it.
Scotty P, you know what I'm saying?
I'm in shorts again. I'm chasing it. This is a horrible entry, but I feel like market's gonna fall off a cliff right now.
I'm gonna wait. I don't have a cushion.
Conditions are flat though. I think they should do one more flush out to flush out all the bulls to get them really bearish. QQQ is just dumping also. One more extreme flush out.
I want to see Qs take out their low of day. If QQQ takes out their low of day, and then I'll go short. But looks like they're trying to hold it. I wonder if today's going to be our sideways day. Similar to, what day was it? Thursday of last week. How we hit all-time highs, we gapped down, and then we went sideways. And then Friday of last week, we went back up to all-time highs, gapped down overnight. Monday, back to all-time highs, gapped down overnight. Tuesday, back to all-time highs, we gapped down.
I added to my short.
I want to see QQQ take the low out.
Yeah, that's what I'm looking at.
Everything's fucking red right now.
favorite color?
Let me get a heat map.
Red's my favorite color too.
Look at tech. Look at consumer cyclical. Look at healthcare. A lot of stuff's red. Consumer defense, energy, basic materials. All the garbage is green. What's IWM? Is IWM flat? IWM's flat.
It's 90. Just give me 690. No, you're not gonna give it to me. IWM has been going crazy parabolic lately, man.
Rejecting POC. SPY. I don't want to go short here until I see QQQ flush the floor out on SPY.
Just give me this level.
I also don't want to go long right now either. We're in the middle.
No. You're going the wrong way.
Looks like they're indecisive. Just staying in this pre-market range. QQQ's below. QQQ's below pre-market.
The Bulls are still hopeful. I think they just gotta slaughter their hope right now. Once they slaughter their hope, they're all out. And then they're gonna reverse and go up. The Bulls are still hopeful from yesterday.
There they go.
There you fucking go. I'm out. I'm out. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I had 3 contracts on that one. Beautiful.
$688.98.
You do some crazy damage, man, with the ES. I like it.
I feel like you have a love-hate relationship with ES.
Well, I finally got some levels now. As long as we're below 690, I'll trade options now. I can't trade vacuum mode, buddy. I lose so much money on this shit because I'm bear biased.
$688.98. They gonna go there?
Still don't think, honestly, they're down. They're done. I think they're gonna crush, like slaughter. And then they'll reverse.
QQQ wants to go south.
Yeah.
I want 688.98. That's where I'm gonna look for a position. I'm not gonna buy puts here, and I don't like buying calls. We're below pre-market. Bears are in control. Everything in freaking tech is pretty much red today. So
688.60s is my price target. Empty pocket here, guys. Puts. I has a lot of room, guys, to go down. Let's dump.
contracts,
I
same
have
days are
a lot of-
expensive today. Our IV,
money.
we got a little IV push on same days today.
Look at the MACD, guys. Look at the volume. Look at the MACD. They're gonna dump. They're gonna dump like crazy.
I still haven't taken a trade. I feel like I rushed
So
in
I've got
yesterday
this
and I got slaughtered.
I got 689.70 as a weekly level too. Yeah, forget it.
I'm in some puts.
Let's
you later.
go. Let's go. Keep going, baby. Keep going.
I'm gonna wait for
This is
688.98. QQQ sloping support is at 617.30. Our first area that we could bounce on QQQ is that Thursday area at 618 90s.
Keep it going, baby. I took profits. I'm out.
See if this is a fake bounce and they continue.
What a beautiful day. ES gang.
Nice.
Let's go.
Buddy, that's just fucking ES. They're gonna dump, guys. They have so much room to go down right now, guys. They're gonna dump. Dump. I sold way too early. 688.60.
I'm gonna get a starter when QQQ and SPY get to their Thursday demand. 618.90s on QQQ, 688.98 on SPY.
This is a weekly level here, guys. This is 2 weeks ago highs.
It's
689.
the 200 on the 1 hour too.
Yeah, this is a weekly level. But the real demand is 688.60s. That's the real demand. I think they're gonna take this out and go to 688.60s.
I think I'm gonna hammer it here. One more candle south. You know what? Fuck it, I'm getting in now. 690 calls, 250 contracts.
Let's go.
We haven't had continuation yet, so at $1.55 average. Wow, this moved fast.
Yeah, it's because you have 250 of them.
I'm taking 150 off. Just sold 150. I'm holding 100.
But I got like 3 or 4 ES contracts. Those fuckers move also.
Come on, flip this screen. Oh yeah. Come on, baby.
That was a perfect level. Good job.
Look at Thursday.
I gotta call my father.
Look at Thursday. I'm about to take the rest off here though if this candle gets swallowed up.
Over, Kagila.
POC just came in. Still in 100, guys. Got the whole world in my hands. And take 50 off. Just sold another 50. POC keeps moving around.
Oh, keep getting at the narrow, got it.
Yup. QQQ looking like they want to go lower. I'm out. I'm going to take it all. I don't want to be greedy. QQQ still looking like they want to go lower. All out 6,300. So nice trade. See, POC keeps bouncing around here, so I don't know what their game plan is. They're going to try to find buyers here or fake the buyers out and continue south.
Yeah, I would go short here, honestly. I want to do short here, guys. I'm trying it. Starter. Small. But we just broke the channel, actually. I just realized sloping resistance just broke.
Oh, keep getting it. De Niro got it.
A little too obvious. Yeah, let's go. It's just a little too easy for the Bulls, guys. They gotta suffer. Bulls got cocky in the last few days.
Bulls got wiped out, though, from this gap down.
They did it so obvious, though, honestly, Ryan. I knew that
End
end
of
of
day.
day thing,
Yeah.
that was a trap. They did it so obvious yesterday. Everybody and their mother swung calls, and look what they did in that trap. Dump, baby.
Just look at Thursday where we bounced from.
Can we just have one more dump? There we go.
I'll be very bearish if we get below 618s on QQQ.
There we go. All right, I'll take it. I'm out. Nice little $550. Damn, I sold way too early. I'm pretty sure they're gonna make a whole brand new low. Be bear focused today, guys. Get to yesterday's trap level, which is like at 692 to 691.50. 692 actually. Be bear focused. Yeah. Yeah, 692.
If QQQ flips 620.45 and I see SPY above 690.20s, I'll probably go north with them. Still bearish.
They're just filling up the gas to go lower, in my opinion. I should have never sold my shorts. I want to chase shorts here, even, honestly. I'm going to chill. I'm pretty happy today.
Big part of me wants to try this higher low here, but I'm gonna wait. See if they try to take the floor again.
I would not be surprised they take the floor out right now, guys. 688.60s.
Look at Thursday on SPY. IWM's
Last Thursday?
IWM's new high. Huh.
Oh, buddy, IWM is just disgusting. Thursday?
Yeah.
Yeah. You think that's going to be the pattern?
I'm thinking
It makes sense.
that's what they've been doing. They're just finding buyers to take it back up. And this is the perfect opportunity for them to go up because all the bulls are spooked out now.
Where's Apple at? Apple.
Down $2 almost.
I'm looking at AAPU shares, guys. Once SPY goes to 688.60s. And I'm going to hold E shares. AAPU. I like Apple. It's oversold.
Fresh low on QQQ. But POC keeps coming in on QQQ.
AAPU. Yeah. Nice little starter there.
I want to chase this shit. I'm in calls again. 690.20 flips. I'll try to hold on.
This is a rinse and repeat, in my opinion, guys. I just don't want to take it. It's a rinse and repeat. Just go short. Rinse and repeat, buddy.
I'm in
You see
690 calls.
690, 690, 10 flips, then it's bullish. Under 690.09, it's bearish.
QQQ made a fresh low and bounced immediately. I'm thinking maybe if SPY goes and touches the floor one more time, we'll have a nice big bounce. I'm only in 100. I'm not in 250.
You're gonna dump it.
Break even here. Looks like they're gonna go lower. You know what? I'm jumping out. Break even. 2 cent loss. I don't trust it. I'll let them put in a fresh low first.
688.60s. You said it yourself. That's the strong demand area.
No, I like this right here. 688.90s.
No,
Thursday.
they did it one time already. They did it one time. They're gonna wipe this level out right now.
Then I got 688.20s. But every time we've tried to put in a fresh low on QQQ, they had a nice big bounce. So I want to see a fresh low on SPY. Fresh low on SPY, I'll try it. QQQ is at my level, 619. QQQ's at Thursday demand. Everybody's looking
Wow,
at calls
MSTR
here.
just hit 190.
All right, I'm back in long, so I'm gonna try it. 690 calls, $1.59. Feel like the longer we spend here, the more obvious this is gonna be that they're gonna try to take the floor out. So as soon as I see them start flushing, I'll jump out of it. If I'm wrong, I want POC area. 690.
In my opinion, every pop should be sold, guys.
Yeah, bears are in control right now. That's
Just think about it, Ryan. Everybody's getting calls here. Everybody. They're gonna savagely go down right now. Savagely.
if I'm wrong, I'll sell. I'm up 9,400 on the day already. I'm only in 100 here, so taking too much time. See them doing fresh low and then bouncing first.
I want to get shorts here. I want to get short.
We got news in 2 minutes.
I'm in shorts. I know this is a horrible entry, but I really do believe they're gonna dump right now, guys. They're gonna break the support.
I would jump out fresh low because they're probably gonna slingshot this thing.
Fucking go. 688.60s.
Fresh low on QQQ. Fresh low SPY. Let's see.
One more drop, baby. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, I'm out. I'm out. That was great. That was great. I think she has more, guys. I think she has more.
688.60s.
Yeah, 688.60s.
What do you see at 60s?
Here we go. A little bit more, guys.
There's a gap that hasn't filled all the way down to 68. 688.23 ish.
Yeah, I have the 20s. I don't have the 60s.
Yeah, it's the top of that gap is the 60s. It's wicked a couple times, but we haven't closed in it.
Keep it going, guys. This is beautiful. Anybody still in shorts?
No.
There you
I'm
go.
in.
Hey,
I'm in.
price is about to hit, guys. Price target.
I'm
Hey,
in
Mike,
long.
Out of
honestly,
ES shorts, still in my puts.
Keep it going, baby.
Woohoo.
I should have just fucking
4,400.
held, honestly. I'm just paying commissions, buy and sell, buy and sell.
Dude, I know, bro. Put a profit stop in and let it go.
I don't know how to
You
do
were
that on
short from
POS.
so high up.
There we go, baby!
Oh my gosh, dude.
I told you guys, savage drop. Savage drop. I'm in AAPU shares, guys. AAPU.
It's 10
I just got
o'clock.
2,000 shares of AAPU.
I'm still in calls.
Okay, that's it. I'm not trading anymore, guys. I got 2,000 shares of AAPU.
I just got
done.
fucking slaughtered. Oh, I just got completely slaughtered.
It was such an obvious play. Everybody was getting calls and longs.
Dude, you
I'm out of my
you
puts.
always buy puts at low a day.
That was great.
It's a good play today.
Anybody
I just
bank?
banked on puts.
Look where QQQ is right now in the 30-minute. Sitting there
Beautiful,
on that
guys.
slope and support. They just broke it.
Gosh, it was beautiful.
It was gorgeous, guys. We are way below the daily expected move, and this is break of structure 30 and break of structure 60. 680, 750, guys. Oh, buddy, if 680, 750 breaks.
I might have to transfer some money out of my DJing account.
They are very overextended, guys. Fuck, I should have calculated the second deviation.
I'm heavy. $1.45 average.
I took 690 puts from $1.55 to 290.
That was incredible. Damn, I did not know that. I didn't think that they would go that far. They filled the gap, guys. There was a gap at 687.70s. Yeah.
Dude, the whole market is fucking just bleeding today.
Damn it. And I've sold.
If QQQ loses this sloping support trend line from a while ago, this is not going to be good. We're sitting just below Thursday's demand. This is
Norval, are you talking to Dimitri or Ryan?
687.12.
Yeah.
687.12 is my strong demand on SPY. If they lose that, then I'll be pretty scared.
You're still long?
Yeah. That candle was too fast for me to get out. I got fucking smoked.
SPX time.
No, I'm not even barely red on the day. I gave back almost 9,000 on that candle. Now I'm in heavy. But I'd rather be heavy in longs at low a day than heavy in shorts at low a day. But $1.45 average, we're at $1.15. $6.89, that floor. If we can go bump our head there, I'll take size off.
Did you double at the bottom, Ryan?
No, I tripled. I'm in 300.
Okay.
I'm only 20.
Thinking about getting some
I'm
calls.
only 24 cents away. I'm looking at this. Go on the 30-minute, dude, and zoom out and look at like 687.15 on SPY. It's a pretty serious area. Even where we are right now is a pretty serious demand. So.
Yeah, I'm looking at the 1 hour. There's tons of demand here.
And then go on the 30-minute on QQQ and zoom out and look at the sloping support trend line that we're on. All the way back from December 15th. Actually, even further, November 21st.
687.33 is my pivot line on SPY.
Now IWM is participating, guys. So be very careful. QQQ should have a gap close reversal here. It's very interesting that it's not. Super bearish.
I'm still in nothing. I might try some calls in a little bit, but the 1 minute looks nice on ES.
I'm back to green on the
Not
day.
10:30 yet though.
689. I'll take size off.
Yes, bounced off of the 20-day moving average, guys.
I don't know, Matt. I'm about to pull 100 off, though.
It's a sloping resistance we're approaching.
I just pulled 100 off.
Good job.
I'm only 3,000 green on the day, dude. I was up like 10.
It's fine. Green is green.
I'm still in 200 contracts, though. If they flip 689, it's party time. There we go.
69.53 Norville.
There we go.
I think they're coming in with too much power to do that, but it might work.
Okay,
Just
now I
be
can
careful.
now I can breathe again.
It's a sloping resistance.
This is the bottom of this demand that we were bouncing. If we reject here, I got to go all out here.
Yeah, it should
If
reject
they
here.
if they flip this, then I'm staying.
69.55 on ES Norville. If that breaks, it's gonna rocket.
All right, Ryan, I gotta go.
The short would have worked.
I gotta go, guys.
All right, man.
All right, I'm
See you,
done.
Dimitri.
I'm just holding AAPU shares, guys. I just gotta go to the Russian sauna with my father.
Let's go.
Hide your winky, dude.
Oh, it's buddy, you crazy? What did Adam say?
People are playing like hot, like poke the sausage in the sauna or some shit.
Make sure no one hypnotizes you in there.
Damn it, that
I
was such a good short.
hide the
I
hot
should've
dog.
taken that fucking short. I'm gonna have FOMO all day. All right, guys, take care. I gotta go. Bye. Love
Bye.
you.
See it.
I'm still in longs, like a degen. 690 flips are gonna take off.
I know. I'm like, I don't really trust shorts anymore.
Not where we are. I mean, the issue that I'm having, dude, is everything is red today. So they flip 690, I could see them potentially hit the gas.
Nice job, Shetty.
What happened?
Sherry posted in the profit.
Oh,
Scotty P, you know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying? Little 550. Put it in the bank.
this could be a big ass bear flag too.
It kind of looks like bulls are coming in.
Good job,
Book map's
Sam.
looking decently strong too. There's no order blocks or anything above.
They can
Good job,
punch
Sam.
through. They could punch through 690. I'll be happy.
I'm not leaving.
Yeah, that would be nice. That fucking
The
candle,
only
when
tiny
they broke
thing-
the floor, that candle just went too deep for me to do anything. Contracts
Yeah.
got smoked like 40 cents in one candle.
That's so fast. 3 minutes.
There we go.
This is about to explode.
I'm not fucking leaving this if they go and flip VWAP, dude. That's going to be target 50 on the 1 minute to VWAP. But they got to get above this floor, the 690 floor.
I might get calls if this 5 minute pulls back and makes a higher low.
Conditions are bearish though. MACD's crossed up. We got 20 more minutes until Adam's reversal.
Yeah, we need one more lower low.
No, don't say that. I'm still in.
Shh, don't say that.
I mean, I'm green on the day here. I'm up 4,000 on the day here. I'm just being stubborn because I had 9.
Dude, the next real thing I've got marked on here is like 680, like high 685s. On my chart.
Look at QQQ on the 30 minute though, where they're bouncing off of.
I do got some stuff in the low 687s. I just don't know.
I can't imagine SPY's going to go below 687.15 today. The job's done. Bulls got fucking slaughtered.
I mean, NQ's already at negative 1.3% too.
Yeah, Q's already down $8 on the day.
Yeah. Yeah,
I know
Bulls,
they can keep going. But...
all the bulls wanting to go back to all-time highs are just completely clobbered. I think VWAP is a realistic gamble. There we go. Oh, holy shit!
take that. I'm out.
Oh fuck, dude! This thing moved way too fast. Come on, stay up here for a second.
It's gonna go.
I
think it's gonna go.
Oh my god! Thank God, dude. Hell yeah!
Dude, holy shit!
Hit the gas now.
Fast enough. I got something.
Hit the gas.
Dude, they're
now.
gonna trap these bears so fast if they want to go.
Oh, I'm still in 100. I hope they do it. Come on, baby. Oh yeah.
Gonna make me regret selling that.
I go to the top of this range.
Yeah, I literally said I
692.
think VWAP's a realistic target, and Jeff was like, "Yeah, okay, let's go there."
Sounds good, man. Let's go.
Oh my god.
It's like, let's go ahead, mark it, buy.
This is a fast, powerful momentum candle, guys. Be very careful.
Hi.
They punch out of this.
Did you see we top ticked gold yesterday?
Yeah, we did, but I didn't have the conviction to stay in it.
No, but God, can you imagine if you held like even just one contract, like
I know.
for $50 down?
I know. Happens to me more than I want it to happen to me.
Oh, yeah.
I'm still in 100. Let's see if they can get above 690.13. It's off to the races. They're gonna try to go for a fresh high on the session. There's way too much demand there. Look at where QQQ bounced off of. And SPY. Thursdays. I feel like I'm being super greedy at this point. I got all my money back plus some. I'm going to take another 50 contracts off. I'm just going to sit in 50 contracts now. I had a $1.11 average. We're at $1.60.
Bears just got smoked.
Yeah, and they did it with power too. But QQQ needs to get above this area right here, 620.45. That 932 low. Are they gonna do the same pattern that they've been doing, dude, all freaking week? If they go back to all-time highs from here, that's a stretch. It's a $6 move. 691.90s is my ultimate price target. Anybody in these longs? Let's fucking go. Hell yeah, Matt. Thank God, dude. Thank God, dude. Oops, I didn't mean to laugh at it. Great job, buddy. I feel like you can breathe now after taking that ugly loss. I'm taking everything off here, guys. I'm taking everything off. This is the 200 on the 1 minute. We should double top, but I've had calls since low day, so. Shannon, did you catch that? They should go double top, 691.50s to 60s. That was a trap. This is a bear trap. Yeah, I didn't hear you, Ryan. When did you get in calls? I thought you were still in shorts. Norville's throwing shots. He's got them, Norville, he's got them Dimitri entries. You got chopped up before we plunged. This is going to be crucial here. They hold this 690s. 690s holds and 620 40s holds on QQQ. They're going to go higher. Thank goodness. Dude, imagine if I stayed in my 300 contracts. What the hell? MBZ, are you here, Matt? What size? How much were you in? Seems like you're sizing a little heavy there, sir. Is anybody going to talk to me? The frig, man.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Well, what am I doing? I'm just talking to myself here. We got to wait for a setup now.
Yeah, it's smoke break time.
Smoke break time.
Now I start looking around at all the other nonsense that I'm in.
Do you guys understand why I was so convicted in longs? Do you understand, like, looking at the 30-minute?
Yo, I'm back.
Do you guys see the 30-minute and understand why I wanted longs? It wasn't just because we were selling off. There was a very
I was
clear
looking at the
reason.
1 hour too.
You're in puts, Shannon? Dude. Look at the QQQ chart. I'm going to post it. QQQ.
Norville, I got into my calls literally the exact second that the 10-10 5-minute candle flipped back to green. Like the second it flipped back to green, I was like, I'm in.
QQQ. Here's the 30 and the 5-minute demand. That was conviction number 1. Conviction number 2. SPY's chart. Look what's below 687. 688.20s to 687. Nothing. This has been demand all the way since December 29th.
Just don't overstay your welcome in those puts, Shannon.
I don't. Where are you in puts from? And
You got them from the top right here. I mean, you should be in profit.
$688. You bought puts at low a day? Come on, Shannon. You didn't hear me in calls? My reasoning? I mean, I could have been wrong, but I'm just saying, if you're wrong, you got to sell.
I realized something this past week we all need to do as a group. You know those guys that trade and they're like, they'll put up the boxes with the take profit, the stop loss, the red and the green boxes, and the strategy where I'm gonna enter calls here, my stop out is here, hence my take profit is 3 times higher, and I'm not selling till I get to there.
Mm-hmm.
We need to go find those people and strangle them all.
Yeah, it's not realistic.
Well, it's setting your profit based on your stop loss. Like so let's see, how bad of an entry do I have? That means I need to hold this till there, and I'm not selling until there.
Depends on your entry too. Like it makes sense because those people are trying to manage their risk to reward.
Oh yeah, no, I understand. But what about the people?
You know what's
that
hilarious?
get halfway up on a move and they set a stop loss $3 below.
Dude,
So
I had a take profit set on fucking gold, and it missed it by 1 tick, and then it completely reversed.
Yep.
And if you're looking at the chart, it makes sense where they bounced, but I wanted a specific dollar amount, and it literally missed it by 1 tick. I let them keep like $1,400, and that one candle like swallowed it right back up.
Oh, dude, that's when Dimitri posted like a while ago and was like, "Is this good?" And I was like, "No, you got to make a little more." And then he blew it up.
Yeah. No, I think he had to like lose $10.
Or is that what it was? And then he blew up.
Yeah.
In my opinion, at some point, you just got to put in a take profit, like a profit stop, and be fine with making a little bit if you're going to hold till a certain target.
Great job, June.
Well, actually, speaking of Mr. Dimitri, we can throw Dimitri right into that. Sorry, buddy, if you're listening to me or you hear about this, but it's true. But yes, he's like, yeah, I'm in puts. Yeah, I'm in puts. Yeah, I'm up $28,000 here. But we haven't hit my level yet. And then you catch up with him later in the day, and he's red 10.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, dude, we're all guilty.
And you're like, why didn't you take profit at 28,000? And he's so casual. He's like, oh, didn't hit my level.
Yeah. I mean, I'm guilty of it too, dude. I get fucking stubborn. It's a part of it. But I completely agree with it. I remember specifically one of those days. I think he was up like 17,000 and ended up flipping red on the day.
By a lot.
Yeah.
And that's where I feel like you got to be like, okay, 3,000 is my absolute cutoff, or like, whatever. Be like, I will not lose less than a profit of $3,000.
Well, I've realized in my psychology, and I don't know if this applies to anybody else. If I get out early and the move carries on, I'm a little bummed. I'm a little whatever. But when I'm green and then I sell for a good loss, I'm like crushed. And recognizing those feelings in myself and being like, okay, on my own personal psychology on a day, like, yeah, no, it sucks. It sucks to miss out on something, but it really sucks to be, whatever, $500 green and sell for $1,000 loss.
Yeah, 100%.
Trying to figure out if this is a big bull flag or not. They lose this, they're going to try to go back to like 688.50s, in my opinion. If they bounce at 688.90, 689 area, that's demand, but we're in the middle right now. Sorry to cut you off, Adam. I'm just gauging, trying to figure out what the hell they want to do.
Yeah, with all that strength that they just came in with, it kind of looks like a rejection.
Could be a freaking giant bull flag, though, for them to slingshot it back up.
Yeah, imagine they just come in with that same power. You trading outside today, Adam?
I had to mute the mic. Sounded like it.
The guy named Adam, not Rom Adam.
Adam's the OG.
I trade wherever I can.
Sometimes the best trades are not to be in a trade.
Actually, I wonder if I got that picture. Let's see if I find a picture for you guys. What do you do?
Shannon, are you still in puts?
Kind of hoping that they go back to low a day for Shannon. Will you be green at below 689 or will you be green at 689? $689 seems realistic. And if they break that, then they should go double bottom.
$689.
This is 689 is potential bounce zone here, Shannon. So make your decision. Either that or go to runners to see if they'll go back to low a day. But this is bounce zone. Much rather have you sell for break even or small profit than try to hold on to it.
This is me trading in July.
Nice.
Nice.
You green, Shannon? QQQ's got a little more room.
Is that your house? You said you live on the lake?
No, that was a friend's. Yeah.
Dude,
Went to a friend's place for 4 days.
There we go, Shannon. Holy shit.
Talk about a V shape.
Thank God. All right, dude. Stop holding, please. I know it's funny, but shit. Please stop holding. Done, son. There you go. Take the $100. Dude, all you got to do is just chop it up like this. Just a couple $100 a day. Just chop it up. And give yourself a month or two of consistency. You just can't take big losses. That's it. As long as I've known you, Shannon, you're like notorious for holding. I remember you would like put up like 1,200% wins. Like crazy big freaking wins. That's not... It works and it's this euphoric, fun feeling, but it's not consistent. Wow, they completely just trapped.
I'll tell you what my goal this year is.
I can't even, dude. Gold is so out of control. There's not
No,
even
my goal.
Oh.
My goal this year is to trade from there.
Yeah, that's a great idea. Get your fucking computer wet.
So I just gotta find a way to set up a table.
Set up a table. You got to put your computer in a trash bag just in case.
Get one of those like bubble boy bubbles.
I have this little thing in my
That's-
ear that's
that's
going,
what-
dump puts agenda, guys.
Hey.
QQQ is going to try to
Well,
go to double bottom.
Yeah.
I'm not going to try calls again down here. As much as I want to, I don't think I'm going to. Yeah, Bitcoin's on a tear right now. 97,000 almost. Yeah, they hit it. 97,000. You've been trading 35 contracts or 3 to 5 contracts, June? Nice. That's great. Listen, if you're making $1,000 off of 3 to 5 contracts, that's very impressive. It's very, very impressive. Could you imagine what damage you can do if you actually sized? I'm not saying do so. If you're comfortable and happy with what you're making, then just stick with it. Don't change anything, but that's a huge win rate. $1,000 off of 3 to 5 contracts. It's a very high win rate.
Wow, the VIX is spiking hard, eh?
Have you seen the ticks?
No, the VIX hit $18 there.
Almost, yeah. $17.99. This is actually channel breakout area on VIX. Look at VIX 30-minute.
Bulls want to come back in and blast this back to view up.
I don't know if I'm going to try it a second time. I already felt like
I'm not.
I already felt like I got my my luck.
Everybody gets one.
Yeah. You know, when you're already down bad and then they get this big push and then Shannon got his push back down south. I feel like we made it out alive today. They gave us some grace. So I don't want to push it twice. That was a nasty game that they did there, though. They broke through major supply, pushed through VWAP, and then reversed and then came crashing back down through everything. So a fresh low makes sense. QQQ's trying to make a higher low.
Still SPY.
We'll see.
Full port.
What are you full porting?
Nothing.
Like another $1,000. Trust along here though. Adelito, you green? Nice. How you doing, man? You doing good this year? On the right track? All right. It's all right. Got a whole year ahead of you, man. Just slow and steady. I don't trust going long here. And I obviously wouldn't buy puts here, so I'm just see if they take the floor or not. If they take this floor, I got 687.15, and then below that there's nothing. So just something to keep in mind. If they lose 687, it's going to be dangerous. Same thing with QQQ. QQQ's on that sloping support on the 30-minute from November. So high or low on QQQ. Look like they should go long off of this, but I don't trust it. Paid the bears, they smoked the bears. Paid the bulls, now they smoked the bulls.
I'm not liking the fact they literally busted through that trend line.
Yeah, and then they came right back through it. I don't know. I don't know what their game plan is yet. High or low on QQQ. I feel like they might get everybody loaded up on calls here and take the floor. Makes sense. Come back up to 689.
Well, what do you think about, what day is that? January 8th lows.
January 8th lows on SPY.
Yeah.
I was looking at January 6th, 687.15 area.
January 6th.
Pre-market, after hours, and session. January 5th to 6th, 687.15. Do you see it?
No. Maybe go to a different time frame.
30-minute. I just posted it.
Yeah, okay. No, I see what you mean now.
Because look below that. They lose that, then, phew. 684s to 682. If they lose
Well,
at
that January 6th, the January 8th low, would that not be a break of structure?
January 8th low on what time frame?
Oh, just even on a daily.
Yeah. 687.90s.
Yeah.
But if you keep zooming out and look left on the 30-minute, it's going to be more realistically, it's going to be 687.15. Because we have a ton of support there all the way back in December 29th, December 30th, January 5th,
Yep.
January 6th, January 8th.
Yeah, I see it all.
really feel like
Yeah, it's very
they
fine.
might be fooling here. QQQ has a very clean higher low. SPY has a higher low. I don't see any power. What a beautiful cycle if they take this back up. This is where they steamrolled all the shorts. See if they do it a second time. QQQ is a very sexy looking higher low.
Oh,
I feel like shorts are a good gamble here. I'm going to try it. 689. They flip the 50 on the 1 minute. I'll jump out. There we go. Quick little 10 cents. 15 cents. Take 50 off. We get continuation. I'll sell the other 50. If this candle flips green, I'll jump out of runners. Come on. One more push.
I don't know if this 1030 counts today.
No. I like that 1030 thesis when we're just trending in one direction.
Yeah.
When we're cycling, it's hard. I'm in shorts here. I got 12 cents here. Probably going to jump out. Yeah, I'm going to jump out. Seems like they want to continue. Oh, you fucker. Sold a second too early. $1.35 to $1.51 and runners out at $1.42. Little baby trade. I hit my target. $0.20 trade here. I would take it, guys, if anybody hit that. Anybody? Bueller? W's? W's?
I mean,
Yeah, I
nothing. I'm just chilling.
Shannon, you took it? Take it. Take it, Shannon.
This guy. Nice work.
All right.
Some dirty pool.
They rejected that 689 area perfectly. That's why I jump in. Crumbs, dude. Just sweep them up, man. Sweep up the crumbs, dude. I did it all year and just slowly sized. And then once I had my cushion, then you could start letting your nuts hang out and start trading a little bit heavier.
Are we talking about Dimitri at the Russian bathhouse?
Yeah. Falling out the side of his shorts.
Oh, I see. Are we going to see a W?
A W.
W.
Double bottom right here?
If they do the W, they got to do it from here.
Yeah.
They gotta go fast.
Dude, we're in pretty dangerous territory. If they get below 687 and QQQ is below 617, I'm going to be pretty bearish. That doesn't mean I'm going to be buying puts down here, but if you look at the higher time frames, we're in pretty dangerous territory.
Imagine Trump just says, "This is a good time to buy."
Didn't he say that and market dumped?
No,
No, I
that
thought
was
in
that
April
was
he
the
said
tariff
like
news.
he basically
Yeah.
literally called the bottom.
You remember
Didn't they inject like 3 trillion into the market?
they injected a lot. They still have a lot of money to inject in still.
Oh yeah.
I shut my broker off. Did you guys see the guy from Greenland or whatever? What he said to Trump?
Say
Oh, I saw it
they
on
on
the
one for
news.
no reason.
Whoever was somebody from Europe basically told Trump to fuck off, and he said Greenland's not for sale.
Just
I
means
think-
he hasn't offered the right price yet.
Well, I think we're trying to acquire Greenland as like a strategically for to be placed near Russia.
Oh, 100%.
Was that an old post? I saw it
Could
this
have been an
morning.
old post, or he might have just said it again.
Yeah. Fresh low.
Important information for South Carolinians 64 and
Fresh low. What are they going to do today? Where are they going to go? That's the real question. Let's look. $685.90s. What was your level?
Oh yeah,
Adam? You had something.
I got a 685.80.
Yeah. That is
Kind of the next.
That is the top of the 15th, and it's also the top of the 12th of November.
Yeah, it's a weekly high.
Yeah. Still crazy. Still looks crazy bullish though. If you look at the daily time frame, like the way we've been cycling into all-time highs, it's still very bullish. That's the other problem that most traders are probably ignoring. So we haven't made a lower low on the daily based off of these cycles. All the way from November 21st, we went from 650 to double top, higher low on December 17th, fresh high, higher low on January 2nd, fresh high. And now if we make a higher low around 684s, as long as we don't take out the bottom of this January 2nd candle, I'd say we're still in a pretty bullish structure to continue chugging away.
What a flush.
If that makes sense.
That makes sense, Ryan.
Does it make sense? Makes sense in my head.
You know what
Make
makes
a
sense?
distance.
What makes sense is a retest of 613.
613.
613.
Yeah.
All right, easy there, Patel.
613. You're looking all the way back into June.
Yeah.
Why?
Go to a weekly time frame.
I mean, I see it on the daily. I see the channel breakout that we did on the daily when we punched through. It was their double top from February 21st.
So you look at January 2022. We had highs in January 2022, then we sold off, then we blew all the way back up. And
Yeah, but that was
look at where we.
that was the liberation flush back to. Are you talking when we touched it at 480? Is this what you're looking at? So you expect it to do this? Are you looking at my screen? You expect it to do this?
I'm not looking at your screen.
How market did
Hold on.
this?
I'm just gonna pull up your screen here.
This
Yeah.
channel. So you're
yeah.
expecting this?
Yeah, that's exactly what I'm thinking.
That's deep though, dude. This was liberation. This was
Go back further. Go back further in history. Go back to your left and look. Go like okay. Left a little bit, the very bottom. Take your cursor. Go left a little bit. Yeah. No. Right. That V right there.
This? Yeah.
Okay, well, look at the bottom of that. Now take that and go left. Well, look at that. We hit the top of that other one.
Yeah, but you're going, dude, you're talking top of that was from 2015 and we hit it in 2020.
Okay. Well, we hit the top of that in January 2022 and we hit it in 2025, 3 years later.
I'll tell you this. I wouldn't be waiting for this to come, but if we hold 613, I would definitely open up a long position.
A big one.
Yeah. You can't speculate that this is gonna happen, but if it does happen, then and you see this area being tested and held as demand, it's a good chance that this is the bottom based off of prior history and prior years.
Yeah.
Dude, Adelito, I'm still mad about it to this day because I had a very heavy SPXL position around $500. I was under $80.
When it was worth 70 something bucks.
Yeah, I was under $80 on it. It's at 225 now. I figured that's easy 100%. I probably would have walked away. Easy 100%.
What are we doing here? This is starting to look gross.
Yes, it is.
Bears want that fresh low on the weekly.
I'm concerned now. QQQ's below that sloping support. Looking at 610. That's a little bit of a stretch. Yeah, but 610 is next on QQQ. 610.30s.
Are we going to have a 3% day?
I don't know if they're going to do it today, but it's what I see that's next.
We're due for a 3% day.
$610.35. When was the last time that we had a 3% day?
Well, it was that $20 December. What is that? November 20th was the last 3% day.
Yeah, Bears, I think I'm probably gonna jump too, unless you guys got anything you want me to look at, but my broker's off. Adam, I know you got some tickers up your sleeve.
I don't think I have a whole lot today. I got some. Yeah, because I got into that. Oh, let's see. Let's just see what's happening on the chart. Somebody told me to get into high roller technologies a week ago.
High roller technologies?
Yeah, it's ROLR. I ignored it.
ROLR. Let's take a look.
It had a bit of a move today. ROLR.
Oh my God.
I haven't.
From $2 to $15. Wow.
Yeah. Well, it hit 20.
2068.
Just over 20 in pre-market. Yeah.
Yeah, dude. That thing's gonna go back to $8.
Stay away from those, Adam.
Yeah.
Oh, it's oh yeah. No, yeah.
Minimum $8, $9. It should get split in half.
Yeah. Well, what do we got?
What the hell is this?
Still in that. I can't honestly. I can't remember. I looked into it and I'm like, I'm not buying this at
Casino
all.
and Entertainment Company.
There was clearly news this morning. They must have made a deal with somebody, but
Maybe like Stake bought them or Rainbet or something.
I got my. Well, I think everything I'm in, I'm sure about. I'm just looking there.
Dude, they completely spooked all the bears out today. On that pump.
The Bulls.
No, they
the
spooked
bears.
all the bears out. Because if their true direction is them wanting to go south, then that little pump that we had at 10 o'clock was just fake.
It was the fake reversal.
Yeah. Thrills, are you coming down in March? Shannon, you too, man. You got to come out to Dade City in March. Day in the dirt.
I do want to get back into some nuclear stocks.
Supercross. That week, Thrills, is Daytona Supercross. The week before is Daytona.
Are we crashing at your place for Daytona weekend?
Well, I don't live in Daytona. I'm gonna get an Airbnb up there. That's like 2.5 hours from me.
Is this bounce coming in? Is this bounce coming in or what?
We got the previous low a day right above us here, 687.80s, QQQ, supply 617.30. So I'll send you the post. So I'm gonna be working it Daytona Bike Week. Well, not the Bike Week, the Red Bull event.
What do you mean working it?
I'm racing it with Stark. But they're going to have, it's like a huge party. It's not AMA racing. It's just like a huge Friday to Sunday racing event. But a lot of the pros and stuff are coming out, so let's see. They got practice is on Friday. Open practice, barbecue, Saturday parade lap, Saturday vintage Grand Prix, 1984 to 1990 bucks on Saturday. 2 strokes, mini Grand Prix, women's racing on Saturday. Stunt racing. Yeah, there's a whole shitload of different races here. I'll just send you guys this. It's going to be cool, Shannon. It's going to be really cool. It's a big party.
Hey, are you still running on YouTube?
Yeah. Yes, sir. Why, you got something to say? You want me to take it off?
There's just certain things I don't talk about.
Huh?
I'll get. There's certain things I don't talk about during your stream because I'm not allowed to talk.
Here, I'll end it. If you guys want the juicy drama from Adam,